and been certified by Balanced Body. So मेरा main goal ये रहता है, I joined Instagram because I want to. When we give birth to a baby, generally हमारा ये हो जाता है कि we leave behind going through, and our main focus is on the baby, their nutrition, their strengthening. They should never think about ourselves. That's the only reason I am here, to make you all aware that it's happening in your body and you need to take care of that. Most of you all have messaged about weak core strength. You do not have the stamina, and the main problem आप लोग को एक ही चीज दिमाग में आता है, that you have gained weight. सबसे पहले the main part of this the strengthening part is you have awareness of something that you are going through in your life. There has your baby was in your tummy for 9 months. तो जब आपकी like baby को born होने को, so the same 9 months give your body to come back into the normal strength that you used to do. Second, a lot of you have body issues and people around, and you also go under postpartum depression. So don't think much about that. You're healthy and not looking good. पहली चीज आपको healthy रहना है. Go to is, if you want to strengthen your body after baby, then you need having adequate amount of calories. आजकल क्या हो जाता है, you have a lot of apps available, so you can go into deficit. So you just need to make sure that आप deficit में जाओ, but consider that you're breastfeeding the baby. So always calculate around 500 to 900 calories, total, the calories that are for your particular weight. And the next thing is clearance from your physiotherapist or the gynac that you're going to. You cannot directly start. I had this one lady who came to me and she had a very severe back in because she didn't take clearance from her doctor and she directly started exercising. पता करना है कि once you have a baby, there's a condition called as diastasis recti. This is the weakening of your abdominal muscles. जब आपका बेबी आपके टमी के जो मसल्स है वो थोड़ा लूज हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा मूव हो जाता है to give that baby. So once the baby has come out, आप देखोगे कि आपका टमी अभी भी बाहर है. The conception that you have there's some kind of waste in your body, वो निकलना चाहिए, like that. The muscles have loosened up, so you need to make sure that you strengthen those muscles. If you have diastasis recti, you can use 2 fingers and you can just check belly if you have diastasis recti. You can also ping me on Instagram or on help you further to find this out. The basic time frame that we keep is 40 days, and अगर C-section है, then you have to keep 60 to 90 days gap, and then you can start the normal exercises that you can go for is walking. You can do a few yoga. You can do all of that initially, and only then you can go for abdominal exercises. Direct लगना है, आपको वो सारे exercises नहीं करना है. You need to keep this in mind. Also had a lot of you asking me questions about the same, so I will be answering all. So a lot of you asked me for a few yoga poses. So there are certain yoga poses, the certain poses that you also use in Pilates. So you can use. Make sure I'll let you know. First is the tree pose, where you stand and you do the stretch your whole body. इससे क्या होगा, आपका बैक स्ट्रेचिंग हो जाएगा, आपके हैंड्स भी स्ट्रेच हो जाएंगे. लॉट ऑफ पेन इन योर आर्म्स, so your full body stretching जाएगा. Warrior pose, even that helps in the same thing. Third is the cat and camel. Whenever who has just delivered and we go for giving them physiotherapy, cat and camel pose and cobra face, recommend them to start off with. The third are the Kegel exercises. The only thing in the first 40 to 60 days that I recommend are the pelvic strength ones. एक बार आपने वो एक्सेलरेट कर दिया है, आप उसमें अच्छे हो गए हो, then you that are available only after the clearance. I'm again and again focusing on the particular part. Make sure that you take the clearance your doctor. You can also ping me if you can start off with the remaining exercises. The next is dietary changes. So always make sure that you are calculating the breastfeeding calories, because if you do not have enough nutrition, the baby gets the nutrition from us, from our deficiency hoga, and then you complain of pain, joint pain, back pain, tailbone pain. So include a lot of protein. So protein ka I will tell you a very simple formula. For example, if you need 70 grams protein in a day, so you can keep this in mind. This is just a small lot of changes in your body, and make sure that you have maintained strength. And then you all had even pinged me that you had a high risk pregnancy after your twins. So generally when it's your second pregnancy, if you have twin pregnancy, तो बहुत 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 high chances है. आप मुझे पिंग करिए, मैं आपको बताऊंगी how to get it checked. अगर diastasis we have to correct it, and then we can go for the strengthening exercises. अगर आप normally जाओगे, might hurt yourself, you might get a pull in your abdomen. अगर एकदम extreme case देखे तो you might even get a sprain, so you take care of that. And the next thing is gradually, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, आपको सबसे पहले कोबरा पोज आप कीजिए. Start off with cat and camel exercise. I will a link of all those exercises आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो. Majorly post 90 days, I want to stress on this one point. Always make sure that you walk. So warm up में क्या होता है, you're just moving around, you're moving your feet, you're doing some kind of walking. ये चीज करो so that your body gets ready to do all the exercises. बहुत बार हम ये mistake करते हैं, तो आपके body पे अचानक से load आ जाता है. You haven't get your engine there. And second is the cool down. Always make sure that you stretch yourself. अगर आपको DOMS हो जाएंगे, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा muscle pain होगा. DOMS are the delayed onset of muscles. So always make sure that you stretch yourself. You have to do the warm up and clearance from doctor. I will stress on this again and again. ऐसे ही आप शुरू मत करना, रहता है. Generally आजकल there is also cervical cancer का injection that you have had a baby. So whenever you go for that checkup, 6 weeks leaving, 6 weeks post you having the baby, make sure you ask the doctor to check if you have any. So make sure you take care of all these things. So I will take away message for all of you females will be, there are a lot of chances that feel too much anxiety regarding your body, regarding your health, regarding your stress, let it affect you. Always remember, being healthy ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है rather than being sure. आप physically, mentally हर way में healthy रहो. जितना आप healthy रहोगे, you are spending the maximum time with your baby. So जो आप करोगे वही चीज़ आपका baby सीखेगा. Mind to be happy mentally as well. Physically तो हो जाता है, you will manage. Make sure you go and get yourself checked before starting off any, क्योंकि आपको फिर pull या कोई issue नहीं हो जाए. So that's it. This is what I want. Short session. Do let me know. You can also tag me and you can message in BabyChakra live that you want me to take. अगर आपको चाहिए कि मैं diastasis recti आपको अच्छे से yoga poses, anything you want in detail, just message on the BabyChakra app. We will make have this live session again, and I will explain it to you. You can also schedule, will help you out with the same. Thank you so much. I'll see you all